We will begin with practice set 6.3. Before we begin with this factorization, let us see how to factorize a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. We will use the same factorization method to solve the following questions. So we will see question number 2 from practice set 6.3, x cube minus 64y cube. First, we will convert this in the form a cube minus b cube. So x is written as x cube. 64 is a cube of 4. So I am writing this as 4y cube. Now this is converted in the form a cube and this is b cube. Right? So we will use the expansion here. A cube minus b cube is equal to, we write this as a minus b. A is x and b is y. 4y. So I am writing 4y in the bracket a square, which is x square, plus a into b, that is x into 4y, plus b square. B square is 4y, the whole square I will take, which is further simplified as x minus 4y into bracket x square plus 4xy. Square of 4y square is 16y square. So this is how we factorize a. We will solve question number 3. Let us convert this in the form a cube minus b cube. 27 is a cube of 3. So I am writing 3m the whole cube. 216 is a cube of 6. So we write 6n the whole cube. Now let us use the formula, that is a cube minus b cube, which is written as a, which is 3m, minus b, which is 6n, into bracket a square, which is 3m, plus a, that is 3m, into b, plus b square. B square means 6n square. Now let us simplify this further. We get this as 3m square is 9m square, plus 6 2s are 6 3s are 18 mn, plus 16n square. We will see question number 4 now. Let us first convert this in the form a minus b the whole cube. 8 is a cube of 2. So I am writing this as 2p the whole cube. 27 is a cube of 3. So we write this as 3 upon p cube. Now we will use the formula a minus b, that is 2p minus 3 upon p, bracket 2p square plus a into b, that is 2p into 3 upon p, plus b square, that is 3p 3 upon p the whole square. Right? So this is written as 2p minus 3 upon p into bracket 4p square. This p is in the numerator and this is in the denominator. So I'll cancel. We get 3 2s are 6, plus 3 square is 9 upon p square. So we simplify this. We will begin with question number 8 now. Here if you see, 16 is neither a cube of 4 nor of 2, neither 128 is a cube of any number. So what am I doing? I am taking 16 common here. I will take 16 outside because 128 is divisible by 16, you know children. It is 16 8s are. So I will take 16 outside. This will become 16 8s are 128 upon b cube. Now you know 8 is a cube of 2. So let us just convert. I'll just take this 16 outside. I'll just leave it as it is. Okay. So this will become a cube. This will become 2 upon b the whole cube. Right. Now we will use a cube minus b cube factorization formula. A cube, that is a minus b, into bracket a square plus a into b, that is 2 upon b, plus b square, that is 2 upon b the whole square. So we have 16 into a upon 2b bracket a square plus 2a upon b plus 4 upon b the whole square.